Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out Ringke for sending me the Fusion Magnetic Clear for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I literally just got this device like an hour ago. So right away, I did the unboxing. It's already up on YouTube for you to go check it out. Hopefully you're digging the unboxing. There's not a whole lot to it. There's more conversation than there is me showing off the device and everything that it can do. But it's letting you all know that it's here. If there's anything you want from me as far as the reviewing process, please let me know down below in the comment section in that video and in this video. But outside of that, it is time to get some protection on my investment, and Ringke has blessed Team My Project 13 with a Live a Better Day Fusion Magnetic Clear case. And yes, you are going to live a better day knowing you have protection for the money you work so hard for when purchasing expensive devices like the Z Fold 7. First-rate quality, detailed design, safe material. On the back, there is some information, so please read everything. Do not skip a beat. All right, so let's get into nothing else there. The packaging there, which is a really nice presentation, by the way. Ringke. Put that right there. What I like about this case, and I remember having this case for the Z Fold 5 and the Z Fold 6, is that you have these little connectors, TPU connectors, that keep the front frame and the back of the case together, so they're not separate. I love that design choice. Okay, so is this? Figure out what this is. Oh, okay. Take off the protective film, just like that. For the outside, there's the magnetic ring. And let's see. That's for the inside piece of film there. There we go. I gotta tell you, man, there is a lot of grip going on there. Hard plastic, see-through, back part of the case, TPU material as well. You do have some flex, so it's going to make it easy to put your Z Fold 7 within the case. Yeah, that is nice. That is really, really nice. So, what I want to do is give a nice little wipe down for you. You do get these adhesive strips that will help keep the frame in place, so it doesn't easily move around, because the frame of the case is pretty darn thin. So yeah, we want to put it back here because that's where it's really going to be a little loose. You can see that this part of the frame has a lot more thickness as far as material, so it'll be okay. Okay, so what I want to do is remove that adhesive strip. It's got a little tab right there. You can see that right there. You can feel the adhesive. It's really sticky. And you want to place it right along the back part of the frame there. So bear with me. I'll probably speed up this part of the video. Okay, Okay, we want to start right here. Just like that. Then we want to bring that over. Just like that. And right here is where you want to rub to make sure the adhesive is going to adhere to stick right where the hinge area is. Make sure that sticks really, 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 really good. Okay. In fact, I'm jumping right to doing this case video after the unboxing that I haven't even set up my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. But everything's going to work. Okay, you're not going to have, there's the volume rocker. Nice and responsive. You can see the cutouts there exposing the power button fingerprint reader, and this cutout here so you have an area to grab onto to open up the fold. That right there is a great design decision. Got a couple little protruding dots there so you can feel the difference on the volume rocker where it's up and then down. At the bottom, see that little connector there? I'm digging that. Cutouts for your mic, speaker, and USB Type-C charging port. Up top, cutout for the speaker area there and the two top mics. A lot of lip and depth protecting the cameras. A lot of protection back there, folks. A lot. Got some depth where the flash is. Yeah, I am digging that. Look at that. Wow, that is nice. Really grippy. I mean, you still got to do your part, and that's hold on with a firm grip. You don't want to drop your Z Fold 7 because of laziness. You know what I'm saying? Got to have a firm hold. Ringke's giving you plenty to work with here as far as the grippiness. You got corner protection for shock absorption. Your hinge area is going to be exposed. A lot of lip protection all around the display. Recessed area for the top earpiece and speaker. That is nice. Recessed area up top for the earpiece. And again, plenty of lip surrounding the display. Laying down a flat surface is a little bit rough. You're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. As far as the back, you're protected on a flat surface is a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, you might want to invest in some camera glass lens protectors, but definitely a lot of depth and lip protection going on there. You will have a little bit of rocking due to the fact that the cameras are way over to the left. But either way, man, that's a nice looking clear case so I can see my blue shadow Z Fold 7. As far as the inner display, perfect all the way around to protect that inner display. That is nice. That is really nice. All right, it is time to test out the magnetic ring on the Fusion Magnetic Clear case from Ringke with my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad. This specific pad here is no longer being sold. It has been discontinued, but there is a newer generation over at the Anchor website or over at Amazon. But this is what I have, and it is my favorite little guy here. Okay, so let's do a magnetic strength test here. This is what I call the spin the circular spin, you want to make sure it doesn't go flying off of my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad. And this is the shake. And that is definitely great to see as far as the magnetic attraction. But what about charging? Bam. Boom. Usually you would see the animation down at the bottom there, but it's because I haven't set it up yet. But you can see that you are getting wireless charging. Now, as far as my wireless charging pad from Samsung, let me get that connected here. Yeah, you can hear it. Gotta find the sweet spot. Boom. Okay. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Ringke, once again, thank you so much for the opportunity to represent. All the information to purchase the Fusion Magnetic Clear Case from Ringke, that'll be down below in the description area. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless you. Peace. I'm out.